Welcome back to Almighty Blues Cricket, your central place for all RCB and Indian cricket. Before we begin, please, like I always say, just the press of a button, smash the like button. Yes, लाइक करिए वीडियो को. और आपको अगर अच्छा लग रहा है सच में हमारा कंटेंट, our regularity as well as effort, तो please subscribe in case you haven't. It is a red color button on the bottom of the screen. It is on your right hand side, a red color button, right? That's all you need to do. You need to have an account or subscribe, because it certainly helps the channel and helps us grow, as we have just kind of started after breaking off, not breaking off, but opening another channel from Almighty Blues FC that you all have been loving as well, for all you football lovers out there. So let's get into it, because I am assuming that you will be sharing the link as well so that we get many more watchers. It is एक और बड़ा गेम. Yes, it is just Scotland. India is playing Scotland in the T20 World Cup. Not a big game usually, but of course it's a big game, because if India can beat Scotland convincingly, and of course the next game against Namibia also convincingly, and if Afghanistan beat New Zealand, or Namibia beat New Zealand, which is just before this game, आई नो टू मेनी परमिटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन, इट इज स्टिल पॉसिबल. हम लोग सेमीफाइनल रीच कर सकते हैं अभी भी. तो देर इज थोड़ा सा पॉसिबिलिटी, ऑफकोर्स थोड़ा सा भी पॉसिबिलिटी है, तब हमें 100% और 200% देना चाहिए पिच में. दैट इज़ वाई हमें सब डिटेल्स जानना ज़रूरी है, और इसीलिए हम यहाँ हैं बात करने के लिए. सो लेट्स गेट इनटू इट गाइस. इंडिया वर्सेस स्कॉटलैंड. इट इज़ अ T20 इंटरनेशनल विच हैज़ नेवर हैपेंड. हाँ, हम स्कॉटलैंड के साथ आई थिंक 2007 में भिड़ने वाले थे, लेकिन वो मैच अबैंडन हो गया था. सो आई थिंक इट इज़ बेसिकली द अननोन टेरिटरी. वी डोंट नो व्हाट टू एक्सपेक्ट. Honestly, we might have seen a lot of videos. I'm sure our think tank and management, so to speak, has seen a lot of videos, लेकिन not really on the pitch, right? We haven't really faced them. So बहुत ही interesting होने वाला है मेरे लिए तो, because Scotland. Yes, one quick thing that I have to share with you. George Munsey, their opening batsman, मैं मैं मिला हुआ हूँ जॉर्ज मंसी के साथ. यस, जॉर्ज मंसी हैड कम टू कैनेडा फॉर द G20 कैनेडा, एंड आई एक्चुअली spoke to him as well, if I remember right, and got a photograph. But a great batsman. So again, that's just one of them. What can we expect from Scotland? Yes, they rely on a lot on the opening batsman. One obviously George Munsey, like I mentioned, and of course their opener, their captain, who's also an opener. Kyle Kotzer is the name, and this guy has not been doing really well in the World Cup, लेकिन क्षमता रखता है डेफिनेटली. स्कॉटलैंड प्लेयर्स बहुत ही एक्सपीरियंस्ड है. दे हैव प्लेड अ लॉट ऑफ T20 cricket, especially in the English county circuit, but even otherwise, right? As in just in the domestic, as well as obviously in the list A games, so on and so forth, and of course the member nations as they speak. So a lot of matches they've played. Middle order में McLeod, he's quite popular in the T20 circuit, and of course they have a left arm spinner. Left arm spinners, remember, in India, and that is what हम चूक सकते हैं. And that is, I think, if I remember, his name is Mark Watt. Yes, Mark Watt is his name. Yes, I have made the notes. I need to peek a little bit, right? As in, obviously, it's his first time you're meeting Scotland, and even otherwise. And the fast bowlers, the opening fast bowlers are key. So these are the 5 to 6 players that are key to them, really. And like I said, most of them have experienced, been there in the team for a long while. Scotland have also topped their group in the qualifying stage जो हुआ था. I think just before the main Super 12 started, qualifying stage में वो बांग्लादेश के भी आगे थे. तो Scotland cannot be taken lightly, and of course we need to win big. Of course, cannot just go with the mindset about wanting a victory, but wanting a big victory. क्योंकि अगर अफगानिस्तान जीतती भी है न्यूजीलैंड से, it'll come down in net run rate, which India have obviously improved. Great win against Afghanistan we got, I must say. Kudos to the team finally. And of course we could have bowled a little bit better, लेकिन obviously scope रहता है हमेशा. It is for us to wanting to achieve that perfection, जो hopefully we'll get in time for Scotland and Namibia, and then semis अगर luck हमारा साथ देता है, and yes, we have to go for luck because we don't deserve it otherwise. If you have to be very honest about it, right? But yes, in terms of basically the points table, like obviously, Afghanistan have currently 4 points, and India also are going to be getting 4 points if they beat Scotland. So we'll be kind of on equal points, and then it'll come down to, like I said, the final game of Afghanistan was New Zealand, and of course India was Namibia. Like even before that, Namibia do us a favor by beating New Zealand, right? And easier to say, but yes, by the time आप वीडियो देखते हैं हो सकता है कि नामीबिया न्यूजीलैंड खत्म हो जाए. So yes, do comment below what are the scenarios now after that. But yes, would really like to see what happens. And in terms of the venue, ये मैच फिर से दुबई में है. Dubai has not been a lucky ground for us. We have obviously lost those first two matches in Dubai, and Dubai is a place where toss is most crucial. ICC वापस. I don't know, something do about the toss. I know New Zealand broke that norm. New Zealand last match जीत गई थी first batting करके दुबई में, and that was obviously against Scotland. लेकिन Scotland almost won that game. Remember, Scotland cannot be taken lightly, but more importantly, that pitch, the chasing side has an advantage. There's no two ways about it. In spite of a day game, also Scotland almost won that game. They lost only by 16 runs, and if they had proper batsmen towards the end, who knows, they would have probably won that and given India a fair chance. Not fair, but at least a chance, right? As in, that's what I would say. But anyway, as in, obviously, New Zealand is someone who would keep a close watch on this one, because along with obviously them having played Namibia, I think them playing Afghanistan, whom we played last, will be crucial as well. So that'll be interesting just to kind of know what to expect and what to kind of target against Afghanistan. So that'll be key as well. So watch out for that. And toss, talking about that, Virat Kohli, he has lost 7 out of 8 tosses in T20 internationals in this year. 7 out of 8. I know luck, we cannot blame him, but काफ़ी बुरा है मतलब. That's an understatement. काफ़ी मतलब 7 out of 8, and 7 out of 8 times obviously we have been asked to bat first, and that is T20s for you these days. ICC really needs to do something, but hopefully this time we'll be lucky, and it'll be interesting even then whether we bat first or bowl first, because if we bowl first, then supposing Scotland get a decent score and then we go bang bang, तो हो सकता है out हो जाए हम. There's a possibility. And if we go first batting, again, we make a less score, then might be interesting because of Scotland's batting in the last game. So, again, cannot be taken lightly and very carefully thought after decision रहेगा. लेकिन फिर भी टॉस जीतने के बाद I think fairly speaking we have to definitely bowl first, and that's what Dubai venue talks for and asks for. And of course fitness. Indian team I don't think will make any changes because Hardik Pandya, who had a slight elbow issue I think in the last game, bowled couple of overs, so I think वो फिट रहेंगे, और then we don't need to make any changes. तो मैं obviously opening batsman शुरू करेंगे मेरे लिए रोहित शर्मा and KL Rahul, who were great in the last match. One down, Virat Kohli would captain again. All the best for the last couple of matches in the World Cup possibly, or for T20s in India, for India. But anyway, number 4, Surya Kumar Yadav. He's key for me along with Rishabh Pant, because acceleration, this is where we need them for the run rate, and we really need to improve run rate even further. I know it's in positive, but still far behind Afghanistan. And of course, number 6 would be Hardik Pandya, Ravindra Jadeja, Shardul Thakur, Ashwin, who came in definitely. He holds the key for me, especially in bowling, because when Ashwin plays well, India genuinely, win. Most of the times. So in Indian victories, Ashwin's averages have been fantastic, and strike rates, of course, in bowling. Number 10, obviously, in batting would be Shami, and then Bumrah. And Bumrah, he can break the record, Yuzvendra Chahal ka record. Yes, Yuzvendra Chahal, I think, has had the highest number of wickets for T20 internationals in India. And Bumrah, I think, उन्हें सिर्फ 2 विकेट्स चाहिए. Yes, 2 विकेट्स चाहिए, and he'll be breaking Yuzvendra Chahal's record. So that'll be interesting to see in this match. And let's see if he achieves that or not. Scotland, again, they'll go with the same squad. I think Josh Davey is the only person जो थोड़ा इंजरी प्रोन न्यूज़ में है, बट आई डोंट थिंक इट बी फिट, सो इवन देन दे डोंट नीड टू मेक एनी चेंजेस, क्योंकि लास्ट मैच आई थिंक बहुत ही अच्छा प्रदर्शन रहा स्कॉटलैंड का. सो आई डोंट सी एनी चेंजेस नीड टू बी मेड फॉर स्कॉटलैंड. सो आई थिंक या जस्ट गो इन विद देम. Of course, in this Super 12 stage, they've already kind of also lost to Namibia and lost all the games, so they will give their all. They have nothing to lose, right? So they will go with the same team. It's a tight unit, and they'll definitely kind of give some kind of a surprise to India, be it by the performance, but I don't think from the team, because they're not yet experienced to try and test so much. Is that what I feel? Of course, in their setup, they're very experienced. So anyway, coming to the predictions, of course, crucial match. I can see India beating them convincingly, and no banana skin, please. And India, come on, we have to win this one. And all you guys out there, let's smash that like button and subscribe. Just the press of a button helps us. Until then, take care. Share the link as well. Bye.